In this video, I will explain how to make Iron Man in Python Turtle library. So first, we will import Turtle library. Then we will choose the background color of the screen, which is black. So you can see that for making Iron Man, we have created 3 pieces. Piece 1, piece 2 and piece 3. Then for making these pieces, I have specified the x and y coordinates of turtle pen position in the form of a list before in my notepad. I will copy the x and y coordinates and paste it into my Python IDE. Then for making piece 1, first of all, we will define the starting position from which turtle will start making the piece 1. We will create a variable named piece1 goto, in which we will specify the x and y position, which is 0, 120. Then piece2 goto 0, minus 30. Next piece 3 goto 0, minus 220. Then we will create a function named drawPiece, in which we will pass piece, piece goto. Then first of all we will write turtle.penup. Then we will specify the position turtle.goto, in which we will pass piece goto. Then turtle.pendown. First we have write pen up, and when the turtle will go to that position, then we have write pen down, because when the turtle will go to that position, we do not want that it will create a line with it. Then we will choose the color turtle.color red. Then turtle.begin fill. Turtle will start filling the pieces with red color. Then we will create a for loop for I in range length of piece at index 0. In this for loop, we will write x, y equal to piece at index 0, I. So we have specified the x and y position. Then turtle.goto x, y. Then we will create another for loop for I in range length of piece at index 1. X, y equal to piece at index 1, I. Then turtle.goto x, y. In the end, we will write turtle.endFill. Then we will call drawPiece function, which we have created above. DrawPiece, specify the piece number piece 1 and position piece 1 goto. Again call drawPiece piece 2, piece 2 goto. Then for piece 3, drawPiece piece 3, piece 3 goto. In the end, we will write turtle.hideTurtle and turtle.done to pause the screen when the application will run. Now simply I will execute this code. In this video, we will see how to make Captain America shield in Python using Turtle module. First of all, we will import Turtle module. Then we will create a function named circle in which we will pass two parameters which are radius and color. In this function, we will write turtle.color in which we will pass color which we have specified below, and turtle.beginFill. Turtle will start filling the circle with the specified color. Then turtle.circle in which we will pass radius. In the end, we will write turtle.endFill. Then we will specify the starting position from which turtle will start drawing the circle. Turtle.goto -30, -280. Then we will call circle function, specify the radius 300 and color which is red. Then again turtle.goto -30, -240. We will call circle function, specify the radius 260 and color which is white. Then again turtle.goto -30, -200. Circle function, specify the radius 220 and color which is red. Then turtle.goto -30, -160. Circle function, specify the radius 180 and color is blue. So basically we have created four circles. First one is red, second is white, third is again red, and the fourth one is blue. Then for making the star, we will write turtle.goto -200, 75. Then turtle.beginFill. Then we will specify the color turtle.color which is white. Then for making the star, we will create a for loop for I in range 5. In this for loop, first of all, we will specify the distance that turtle will cover equal to the length of the star turtle.forward equal to 340. Then we will specify the angle turtle.right angle in clockwise direction of 144 degree. In the end, we will write turtle.endFill and turtle.hide turtle to hide the turtle, and turtle.done to pause the screen when the application will run. Now simply I will execute this code. In this video, we will see how to make Batman logo in Python using Turtle module. So let's go to the Python IDE.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon,